Hey there, music lovers! Today, we're taking a virtual journey into the world of guitar playing. Imagine this, a cozy, well-lit room, which is the perfect setting for our musical journey. In the center of it all, we have a guitar resting elegantly on a stand. This guitar is not just any instrument. It's a symbol of passion, creativity, and magic that music creates. As we zoom in on this guitar, we can see its intricate details. The expert craftsmanship that went into making it, the unique design that makes it stand out. This guitar is inviting us to join in on the musical adventure. It's inviting us to learn, to practice, and to create beautiful melodies that will reverberate through time. So what are you waiting for? Pick up your guitar and start your musical journey today. And if you can't play yet, that's okay too. Remember, every musician started their journey with just a guitar and a dream. Thank you for joining me on this musical journey. If you enjoyed this video and want more inspiring content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep strumming those strings and making beautiful music.